Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Harbor Freight. So, let's dive in. Alright, to get us started right here, we're going to check out some of these instant savings deals. We see this little respirator right here, N95. Also, we have the Braun floodlights, little pocket floodlights. There are a few more lights on sale as well for Braun. You can check those out. We have the bit set here, a little screwdriver bit set. Pretty good prices on those. Also some blades. Now again, those are both Warrior brands. They're not going to be your best one, but fine DIY option. A little torch here, a little micro torch. Have some Bauer tools on sale, so great things for, again, DIY. Little belt sander there and a cutoff tool. Good prices on those. Again, Bauer's a solid brand, solid option. I know a lot of people go into that now. We got the finishing sander. Also have some knee savers here, $5. Great thing for that, whether you're in the shop or gardening or anything. We also have the electric planer, Central or Chicago Electric. I do like this little cordless little power cleaner there. Love to know about that if you guys have ever used one. We have the Apache cases for whatever you might need. $35 for these here. Different colors on those as well. Then we also have the detail brush set, $2.50, and more Braun lights here for $9. Again, solid option right there for Braun. Quinn, a really good brand here. We have a couple different socket sets there. We also have some Pittsburgh options as well. Some a little bit longer ones, more Braun lights. Even have some ratchets here from Pittsburgh. So again, different size links on these as well. A few more later on in the video too. We even have some Pittsburgh impact socket adapter sets. Pretty good prices on those, $6. I really like this Quinn tool right here. This is a great tool for all kind of different stuff. Has a bunch of different uses right there. I think this is the 16-in-1 or 14-in-1 option. So you can check that one. Got some safety glasses here. Pretty basic stuff. And then we even have more sets or more ratchet wrench or torque wrenches here for Pittsburgh. You can see those prices right there, pretty good. $15. You have some drop cloths. You also have some shop towels. I feel like these are on sale pretty often, but still $10. Good price on that one. You have the bottle jack here, $20 there for that one. You also have some jumper cables, $8. Always great to have some of those. Never know where you're going to need them. We also have the Chicago Electric welding soldering iron here. Good prices for that one. Ratcheting tie-down straps. Always great to keep some of those. You never know when you're going to need them. We have the Merlin accessory kits. Different ones here for that. Pretty good prices on those. More shop towels here. $10. Also have Banks Brad Nailer and Crown stapler for $30 there. Then we also have some chip brushes. A couple inches on those. Foam cannon here, $30. Have some ammo cans. This is the metal one. A little bit nicer style there. $14. And then also we have the little trays for different small tools. And again, I want to show you all the Inside Track Club deals. Just remember, these are membership only, so you got to be Inside Track Club member, which is only about $30 to get, and then you can get a lot of these savings. So if you buy a lot of stuff at Harbor Freight, this is definitely something you should check out. But you get a lot of these savings just throughout the year and all the time, but different prices on these compared to other prices. So I'll show you some of the Inside Track Club deals that are going on right now. But these kind of switch out. Inside Track Club deals are switching out at all times. So are instant savings and other stuff like that. So there's these going on. And then also they even have some clearance items I'm going to show you guys as well. But you saw a bunch of those right there. They even have this little adjustable Hallmaster ball here. Apex winches, depending on which one you need. They have the Vice on sale here for $144. If you need one of those, and then also utility pump here for $150. A few more instant savings deals. They got some of these gas cans back on sale, $20. I know I say this, but about a year ago when they had that bad weather here, couldn't find these anywhere. So, but they have the gas cans and the diesel cans as well. So again, depending on which one you might need, but you can grab some of those. 20 bucks, great thing to keep at your house in case you need some of those. Good prices on those right now. I feel like this is one of these is on sale at all times. Earthquake XT, a little impact wrench here. They also had the extendable option there, and the 1-inch composite grip impact wrench, and then even the little air driver right there, air sander here. And then also right next to that, they had the random orbital sander as well. They had the jump starter from Viking, so I like that one, 73 bucks. The air compressor as well, 170 here from McGraw, 8-gallon. Solid deal on that one. These are not on sale, but I did just want to show you all these. They have the Bauer and the Hercules fans going on. It's so hot right now. Thought this would be a good thing to purchase, especially if you have the batteries already. Grab one of those for just hanging out or whatever. Then they have some tarps here, 17 bucks. Check those out. Zip ties, $3.30. Always a great thing to keep on hand, especially when doing DIY, because they can fix a lot of little issues. Zip ties and duct tape are great things. They did have this extension cord. It's the one with like triple end right there, but it was sold out at my store. But again, a great thing right there for anyone. Another shot at the ammo can. 14 bucks here. Good price on that one. They did have this cart on sale. That's a pretty good price right there for Inside Track Club members. $150 for that. 4-drawer U.S. General cart. Good price. A couple other deals right here. See some like flexible adjustable wrenches there. So kind of cool, extendable options. They did have deals of the day going on, so depending on when you watch this, you can check the deal of the day right now. So make sure you check that out. Some pretty good deals going on right now for that. They had the oscillating edge belt and spindle sander. Check that one out there for Bauer. And then also right next to this, they had the belt and disc sander as well for $239. So pretty good sanders right there, especially for Inside Track Club members. And then the clearance, they had the belt and a disc sander as well, a little bit smaller option right there. So clearance item, thing to check out. Another clearance, they had the mini cutoff saw. I don't think I've ever seen one of these. Look how small that is right there. Little tiny cutoff saw. So funny if you're going to be working some small stuff. 2-inch option there. Check that one out. And then another deal of the day I want to show you guys. You can see all of this on sale right here for 35% off. But check the deal of the day going on right now. You can check their website. I'll have a link down below. Check it out there and see all the deals going on right now. But overall, I think there's some really good deals going on right now at your local Harbor Freight. Let me know what you guys plan on grabbing. And if this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. You can check out another video right here. And I will see you over there.